Do you know about Alstom's repairs, parts and component overhaul services? Our portfolio includes a wide range of solutions to maintain rolling stock for safe and reliable operation. Alstom's repair and overhaul centres are located all around the world, where our qualified experts ensure quick delivery of parts and services. As a trained designer and manufacturer, Alstom provides various services solutions to boost fleet performance. Our parts and component overhauls portfolio covers the full range of our customers' operational needs. Scalable contract schemes and solutions are tailored to specific requirements. Components undergo repairs, overhauls and maintenance services to extend their useful life in one of our 45 repair and overhaul centres. Each component is taken care of by our experienced technicians to repair damages and technical problems. Our data analysis teams, backed up by our fleet support centres, monitor fleets up to 24 hours a day, delivering analyses on the health of components and support for repairs and technical issues. A digital tracking tool follows the repair from start to end to keep the customer up to date on the repair status. Our customers can rely on us for all types of spare parts, whether they are available in our warehouse or held in our central stock, with zero lead times for locally held parts. Depending on the contract, Alstom can guarantee delivery in as little as 24 hours. Digital tools simplify browsing through our 3 million referenced parts and ensure a seamless ordering process. Station 1 helps customers source parts from trusted vendors and guarantees quick delivery. Alstom's 3D printing capabilities enable quick parts production and at a competitive price for new trains, maintenance, repairs and overhauls. Our overhaul solutions are a sustainable way to extend the lifetime of Alstom and non-Alstom components and assets. Capitalising on our technical expertise and knowledge of key systems, rolling stock and components are returned to like-new condition. Electronic component obsolescence is inevitable, and component availability must be monitored to ensure fleet operation for a full service life. As part of our contracts, Alstom can offer a range of obsolescence management services, from monitoring component availability to complete hardware and software reverse engineering. Alstom's parts and component overhaul solutions will extend the lifetime of your assets, ensuring safe, sustainable and reliable train operations. Find all of our services on our customer portal, which serves as a single point of contact for a wide range of services, including technical and commercial support, spares and repairs, trainings and much more. Visit alstom.com for further information.